Hi there, Elite Lawn Care here. Looks like we got another question. Why is my yard not as green as my neighbor's? This is a very common question that most customers ask. This situation can usually be boiled down to three main factors. The most common factor has to do with plant genetics. Much like how people's genetics determine their looks, different turf genetics can result in your neighbor's lawn and your lawn not quite matching in color, even though both are healthy and maintained properly. Another factor could be moisture levels. Watering your lawn in between treatments is vital for your turf's health and for having a lush green canopy. Keep in mind that watering frequency and amount will change depending on seasons, temperature, and rainfall. Third and last most common factor is mowing. It's important to have the right height for your turf. Example, Bermuda's cut height is between 1.5 to 2 inches for optimal health. Make sure not to cut more than a third of your turf's total height at a time. This will protect your lawn from getting scorched during the warmer seasons and help in preserving its green canopy. Also, using a properly sharpened mowing blade will help prevent the yellowing of your turf and stop disease-causing plant pathogens from infecting your lawn. Well, that covers it. So we'll see you out there on the turf. Have a great day.